Hi, I'm Laia, and this is Maria Rosa Molardo's school, and it's my school.
Hi, I'm Blanca, and it's mine school too, and you are very welcome.
Welcome to our cozy and sunny entrance.
Hello.
Hello, come in.
Hello, my name is Melissa.
Hi, I'm Hectoras.
Hello, I'm Julia.
Hi, I'm Blanca.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
Hi, I'm Mark.
Hello, my name is Sunay.
Hello, my name is Javier.
Hello, my name is Sebastian.
Hi, I'm Hugo.
Hello, my name is David.
Hey, I'm June. Hello, my name is Ingrid.
Hi, I'm Arianna.
Hi, I'm Avery.
Hi, I'm Junior.
Hello, our school is a Catholic school with 100 years of experience
And provides the information to prepare for your life.
and we are a two-line center in all educational states. Let's see. On the left side is the secretariat.
And on the right is the wonderful world of the nursery.
Let's take a closer look. Follow me.
Hello.
There are the toilets and the playground. This is our playground. My favorite, and this the place in the school.
Wherever you fall.
In here is our library, when different recreational
And academic activities take place.
reading Godfathers, story time, and colloquies on the different days. The organization, planning, preparation,
Competitions, delivery, constant.
and project with the book under the arm. Hello, here are a fifth and a second primary classes. In here are third and fourth of primary classes.
In there are study students of secondary level.
And training courses, the model going to be.
This is our psychomotricity room and sports center, and it's used by primary and secondary classes.
Know where I stand. You make me feel like I'm in.
This is our dining room. Hello.
A lie